Hi guys, and welcome to TechSpa. Today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel, have a YouTube account, upload your amazing videos and even get them monetized. Monetized in a sense, start earning from your videos. You can gonna be a video marketer soon. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to your browser and type YouTube. And the main requirement for the YouTube channel is a Google account. I'm sure you all will be having it. Now here you can see a red sign saying sign in. This is the option to sign in into YouTube. I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to select my account. So I'm just going to log into it. The Google account which I'm using is a duplicate which I created for this video, and I hope you're going to use a genuine one, and you should be having a genuine one. And just a minute, it's going to take a while. And voila, we are there. As you can see, we are signed in, and the best part is we have an YouTube account. Now if you want to become a creator of videos and upload it, here you can see the sign of man. Please watch this video till the end to understand all the working of the YouTube channel. Click on it, and as you can see, we have a creator studio here. Before that, we go to my channel and see this is your channel's name. You can even change it. I'll change it to text. You can change it, but I want to change it text bar, yeah. Then create channel. It's going to take a while to load. So alright, now let us go to Creator Studio. Go to the same icon and we have over here Creator Studio. Just click on it, and voila, this is the main thing. This is the dashboard where you can see the watch time, the total views, total subscribers, and watch time, views and subscribers in a month, how many videos, tips and comments. This is the main thing. They have a where you can see general aspects of your channel, views, subscribers, videos, etc. The next comes the video manager, where you can control your videos, actions like tags, edit, title. I'll show an example by uploading one. As you can see here, this is the upload button. Just click on it, and you can select some video. I'll select my latest video which I uploaded. So it's processing, it's uploading. Over here you can change the YouTube title. For example, my video is about how to download YouTube videos. Fair enough. And description, this is about YouTube. And tags are very important. Tags and titles should match each other, because as you see the YouTube algorithm in the search console, it selects your videos on the top of the list of the first page according to the title and the tags you give. For example, if I search download, the search engine will search for download in my title and download in my tag as well. So if these two things match, your video will be on the top and you get more views and subscribers. So there are a lot of tricks to make this true. You can see my other videos on giving tags. It is very easy. So now go ahead and click publish. Now my video is online. I can watch my video anytime I wish. So now I've got my first video here with 0 views. Don't worry, you keep working on the channel and you'll be very successful if you really try hard. This symbol is, it is public, and if you get a symbol, a dollar symbol, that it is monetized. So over here, just select this and you can see in actions that you can make it community contributions. When that means you can take up the license, YouTube license, and make it license free. And tags, title, can change the description, much more things. So here to edit, and you can also edit. Click on this, and here edit the same things: title, tag, description, and many more tools like end screen annotation. Very important things, because it's gonna increase your views and subscribers. Over here, audio, you can if you don't have an audio input in background music, you can give some free non-copyright videos over here. Next, this is a live streaming. I don't think this is very useful for you. Anyway, you can go and get started. You can give live video streaming. And over here, community. This is our YouTube community, where you can interact with the community and you get some help on something. And over here we go to channel. My channel is verify. Just you need to click verify and call me with an automated type your number. I'm not going to do that because it's this is not my channel, but you have to do it. Go ahead and do it and verify your channel. That's how you're going to get ahead or into monetization. Over here, this is the important part, where the copyright status. It shows the copyright status. Now my status is happy. That means I have no copyright strikes. It means I haven't uploaded other videos. I mean, I haven't copied others' content. I'm not plagiarizing others' content. So don't try to copy others' content into your channel, because it's going to strike a copyright, and you're going to have to pay the bill. I mean, your channel is going to get banned after 3 or 4 strikes, or you can also have a legal case running over you. So it's not good to have a copyright strike. Next is the community guideline status. These are the same thing, where you have to follow the community guidelines. You can see that in the policy below. And now here, this is monetization. That means your videos, while others watch your videos, I mean audience watch the videos, they're gonna see ads from other companies first before they watch your video. That's because when other companies collaborate with YouTube and pay them to show their ads, YouTube is gonna put ads on your video, and in turn it is gonna pay you. It's gonna pay you half of the thing that company is gonna pay them per video. So this is how YouTube runs. That is why there are lots of millions of channels, millions of YouTubers working on their channel, and even earning millions every month. So if you want to become a successful YouTuber, keep working, do not give up, just uploading videos up to date, I mean regularly, and you will be successful, and I guarantee that. So now to enable your, according to new guidelines, new policy. Okay, accept. I have read. I accept acceptable agreements. You can also go through them. I have gone through them. And over here, this is sign up for AdSense. AdSense, in a sense, is a Google, website. It's a part of Google, where you can submit your ads to publish in other websites, channel, likewise. So this is the website which is going to put ads in YouTube, in your videos, in YouTube videos, and is also going to pay you if a lot of audience view your video. So just go ahead and start this, sign up for this. But the only thing is, you have to be above 18 years. I mean, your Google account has to be above 18 years to do this. You can just go ahead and set the date of birth to above 18 years. That's what I did. Then set monetization preferences. Or go ahead and start this, or right up here. Just sign up for this, nothing more. And I have done it. Hola. AdSense requested. I've sent the request, and it's gonna process 1 or 2 days, and they're gonna send me the feedback. I mean, if it is accepted or not. Now, set monetization preferences. So go ahead and see what type of ads you need. Play and check, or check here, save. Now, according to the new guidelines from YouTube, new rules, before you can monetize your, the Google AdSense can put ads on your video, your channel should be having more than 1,000 subscribers, and should have a watch hours of 4,000 hours. It means in a year you must have at least 4,000 hours of watch hours. I mean, it's not much for successful YouTubers, but it's a bit hard. So you need to work hard, really hard, and upload videos regularly. That is what I suggest. That's the best thing to do. And focus on your title and tags. That's how you get top on the front page. So this is how you monetize your videos and start earning. You can get paid by AdSense if you link your link your bank account with them. You can get the money. This is how you monetize your account. So before that, you must get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I'm sure that you guys are gonna do it, because that's how you get your monetization. Okay, now let's go analytics. Over here you can get the overall view of your videos channel. Here you can create contributions and stuff like that. You just go ahead and see if you're interested. So this is how you set up an account, set up your monetization, and upload a video. I guess you all like this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more such videos about YouTube, and go ahead and smash the like button, please. Thank you for watching.